Today we are going to unbox Skechers Go Ride 9 shoe. This is one of the best road running shoes in India. Let's see how that looks. So this is how the box looks. It's almost a square size box, not the long ones. And let's see how to open it this way. This is the shoe. In my first look, I can tell the mesh layer is very soft. The sole is also soft. And you see, it's written Goodyear. So Goodyear actually provided the rubber sole for this. And HYBERBURST is their technology for the midsole. So when you are running, your foot doesn't get hurt. Now I am going to try it out. And this is how it looks after you wear. And one major difference I now feel that when I step, this area, the heel and midsole contacts with the ground first, which in other shoes you won't find. In other shoes you will be actually forced to put your heel first. And this is how it looks from the front. The mesh is quite good.